How's it going, Swaggers? It's your host, Swagoff. Today we have the great and glorious Will You Press the Button? And so, yeah, I've been gone lately. Actually, the schedule, as I stated before in the previous couple videos that I've been back, because that 5-month hiatus was kind of a long one, right? And kind of like Steven Universe, right? Anyone who watched that show, in the comments and down below, anyone who watches that show, who watches my videos, shout out to all of that fandom. But here we are, and as you can see, that a lot of my videos are becoming unmonetized due to the fact that YouTube is being ridiculous on their copyright infringements. And instead of just me trying to fight for the fact that I want to monetize these videos, I'm just leaving them unmonetized and just allowing you to have content. I would rather have a content that I believe would be great for you swaggers than be actually paid for. I would rather do this, just make videos like this for you guys than any other type of medium. I would rather do this than be paid. So let's begin, huh? Shall we? To the destruction of the world, Markiplier would say, right? Okay, would I become a gym trainer? I would become a gym trainer, but you may only have one type of Pokemon, and you must live as if a gym trainer is a real job, including work hours and no leaving unless there is a lunch break. I'm gonna do it. And my logic behind this is the fact that even if I have one Pokemon, still, literally, I would have, the best Pokemon around and all that. I could have Mewtwo. Or Mew. I didn't say I had to have a specific type of Pokemon. I could have, there's 500 billion of them right now, right? I don't know, I haven't got on Pokemon Go yet, but still, and that's in the future. But still, I mean, come on, this is like a no-brainer for me. Who wouldn't press this button? Who wouldn't become a Pokemon trainer? And working it as an actual job, what's the computer slow there? What's the actual downside of that? You would be in the Pokemon, you would have a Pokemon, you would have a gym, you would have a job, even though it didn't say you would get paid for it, but still, you would have all that stuff, and it would be awesome. Wow, that's close. 51% of people did not. Fascinating. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. Makes it sink, right, Swaggers? And here is this one. You will become immensely successful in the field of your choosing, i.e. science, philosophy, business, YouTuber. But you will go through life watching everyone around you slowly drift away from you, and your successes will be your downfall. So I would have immense success, but I would lose all my friends. And probably my fans too, if I would be a YouTuber. And that success would lead to my downfall. So basically I would be Felix? But yeah, no. I'm not going to press this button. I would rather build my success I would rather build my success the way I want to build my success than just directly become it and then have that knowledge that one day I would fail. I would rather just go through life. Yeah, 65% of the people agreed with me. Who would want to do that anyway? I mean, the 35%. Anyone in the comments to tell me how would... Oh wait, I could just go to this comments. Joke's on you, I hate people. Huh. Well, yeah. I think that was a good one. Alright. So, Gabe Newell lovingly smothers your face, saying HL3 baby. But Portal 3 will never be released. Wait. Would that mean that he didn't say he would release Half-Life 3? He just said that he would say Half-Life 3. Why would I never want Portal 3 to be released? I mean, I want both of these games to be released. Don't get me wrong. I seriously want Half-Life 3 to come out. I would buy that game and play it for you swaggers faster than you can say. Yeah, faster than you can say yeah. There we go. Perfect logic, Justin. Perfect. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna say no, due to the fact that Half-Life 3 doesn't get released, and I would rather have both of these games than no game at all. So, yeah, no. Hey, yeah, 62% of the people did not press it. So, tell me, swaggers, what are you hoping for Half-Life 3? Because I am seriously hoping for Half-Life 3. Oh, if Half-Life 3 comes out, I would literally go and buy it that quick. That quick. Snap of the fingers. So, yeah, that was a good one, right, swaggers? I believe it was a good one. You can change the fate of any person, but this person cannot be you, and the exact opposite will happen to you. Oh, so if I do something good for a person, let's say person A, I give him $100 million or something. I'll give person A $100 million. That would mean I would be $100 million in debt. Whew. Or I could do extremely bad things to people, like I could make their fate, like I could literally make them lose somebody they love, so I can gain somebody I love. Or I could give somebody that doesn't know, I can give somebody their senpai, but I would lose my senpai. No, I don't want that much power. I can't do that, swaggers. Not to y'all. I'm way overthinking this, aren't I? I have no idea. That's a good one. I believe that was a good one. A very good one. Made me think. Yay. Alright. You know the truth of everything, the universe, and the meaning of existence. But you will forever be alone with the knowledge and live on for eternity. So basically, I would kill everyone on the planet, but I would have the knowledge of everything. No. That's an absolute no. That's an absolute no. I could never do that to y'all swaggers. Never do that. Not like Markiplier. I didn't say anything. Markiplier's awesome. Until he plays this game. Oh, just kidding. Okay. Wow. Wow. Close, but still, wow. Why would you want to live alone forever? Oh yeah. Internet. Forgot. Sorry about that, swaggers. You will become immortal, but only thing you are going to eat is bacon. Yeah, I have no downside to that. I would eat bacon every single morning of every single day for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I mean, have y'all shout out to Epic Mealtime because they make every single meal with bacon. I mean, I can't mix it. It says the only thing I can eat is bacon. But, actually, think about this. A pig is technically all bacon. So, can I eat ham? I'm technically eating a type of bacon. If I just ate pork all the time, would that mean I'll be eating bacon all the time? Think about that, swaggers. Think about that. Tell me in the comments down below, what do you think? Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Was there supposed to be a downside to that? First comment. Is there supposed to be a downside? I see none. Alright. You can change your form at will, but you can only take the shape of people of the opposite gender. Yeah, it's no downside again. No downside. I'm just going to think about... I don't have to think about that. Yeah. Well, where's the downside to that? Yeah, I would pick that every single day. Hands down. I mean, I would still like to... I mean, think about it. You could become anybody. There's like 50 billion famous people that are women, and very few are men, I believe. Yes, I feel like that's correct. Don't hold me to that. Go to factchecker.com if you want to. I see no downside to that. Absolutely none. You're very attractive to the opposite sex, but you're also very attractive to the same sex, and your skin is... Yeah, I'm just gonna skip this one. I'm just gonna skip it. That's a question that's pretty... Okay, I'm going to say yes to this. I'm going to press the button because that was horrible to what happened to them. You prevent the Holocaust from happening, but 6 million Jews survive. What's the downside to that? I mean, they are people. They were just murdered. I mean, I would be saving people from being murdered. Think about that. I would press this button any day of the week. Yes, that's true. Holy cow. Dang. I like the overwhelming people who press the button still. Ugh. A lot of stuff to think about, swaggers, you know? A lot of stuff to think about. You'll be friendly to all, and everyone will be friends with you. You will be friendly to all, and everyone will be friends with you. But you will be in near constant pain all the time. Some would say, what's the difference? Some would say, yeah, so there's a lot of things that people could say. I will press the button because I love being friendly to people, and I don't know. Yeah, I would rather, well, I could still be friends with everyone and not have pain. Or just buy, they never said I could not buy a whole bunch of Vicodin and take it, right? That's a good one as well. I haven't gotten to the bad ones yet, you know? I'm probably too kind to these people. Mark is not kind. Guy, like, literally destroyed Detroit for a piece of cake. Piece of cake. I could have just baked him a cake and gave it to him, rather for him to press a button. Destroy Detroit for it. It wasn't just even a whole cake. It was a piece of cake. I would not destroy a city. I would destroy maybe a house, but not a whole city for just a piece of cake. I would only do that for a whole cake. See, swaggers, I have morals. See. You can eat forever without gaining weight, but you fart 5 times per hour. So, do I choose when this happens, or just like a oh, swaggers. Yeah, I'd do it just for the laughs. And then it would just get old after about 3 hours of me just constantly. Yeah, that's good because you made me laugh. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man, that was a good one. You'll become a Pokemon trainer, but you can only catch one type of Pokemon. Again, this is almost the same thing, except you were a gym trainer and all that, but I'm still going to press the button because I love Pokemon, and I said in the last would you press the button? I love Pokemon. Pokemon is literally beyond amazing, and I love it so much, and it's just so good, you know? So good. It says idea, but I think he meant ideal. Ideal paradise. No, idea of paradise. I didn't see it. Idea of. My mind just went blank for 5 seconds. A week in your idea of paradise, but you live the rest of your life knowing you'll never be as happy. So I could have a week of pure happiness and bliss. A week of just amazingness. But the rest of my life, I'll never be happy again. No, I'm not going to press that. I'd rather try to get happiness for as long as I want to than having to choose only for a week of it. Yeah, 49 people did not press it. I mean, still was close, but who would actually choose that, I wonder? Your country is exactly the way you want it to. To what? You want it to be. I'm guessing. But there will be a civil war within the next 5 years. You know what? Yeah, I'll press it. I'll become Mark and be like, yeah, we have paradise here and all that, and then all of a sudden it's like pure war and destruction and everything, and it's like fire and brimstone coming down from the skies. I think me and Mark have a lot in common. What do you think, Swaggers? So, become the president of the United States, but you have to do everything you're told with no questions asked. Well, since someone is probably going to be, I'm not going to say who, but someone's probably going to be in there anyway, and probably has already been in there, that has done that before, I'm just going to press the button outright, because that's probably truer than most statements on the internet. Not to say that there have been great ones, it's just, you know, politics. Alright. You have the ability to teleport anywhere you want, stop time, and are able to move around when stopped, and will have the woman or man of your dreams. But the world is overthrown in a zombie apocalypse, and it doesn't end, no matter what you try. Yeah, I would press the button. I'm going to become Mark now. I'm going to destroy the world just for the incrementally ounce of power. The incrementally amount of power. I will destroy the world. Even though I haven't been doing that a lot lately. But still, amounts of power. Hopefully. Oh, yeah, who would see the downside in that? Zombie apocalypse. Bah. I could start it. I would have the power to move to a new planet. Unless the zombie apocalypse travels with the planet. Still, It said I could have the man and woman of my dreams. That means we could start a whole new race on another planet. And it didn't say the zombie would follow me, it just said the zombie apocalypse would happen. So, I mean, it said the world would be overthrown. It didn't say 2 worlds would be thrown, it just said the world. This world. You know how many other worlds are probably out there right now? You are free to do anything illegal and cannot die until you are a 100. But everyone hates you with no possibility of them ever loving you. Remember the ounce of power I was talking about, right? Yeah, this is gonna probably be it, so goodbye. It's like it blows up. Oh god. Alright. Okay, this is the last one. So you are free to do... Oh wait, that was the... Whoops. My computer lagged a little bit there. You are able to see the future and the past of you or everyone. But no one will never trust you. I think he says no one will ever trust you. So what do y'all say to this, swaggers? I'm gonna leave this up to you. Would you want to see the future for not only you, but for anyone you want to see the future for? Knowing that once you tell them, they will never ever believe you? Leave your comments down below, swaggers, and thank y'all so much for watching. Y'all mean so much for me, and everything that y'all do is just so amazing, y'all know. Y'all are just such an amazing group of fans, and I love every single one of you. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, blind that like button with your swag. And subscribe to become a swagger today. And as always, swaggers, stay awesome, cause y'all know you are awesome today. So please, swaggers, stay awesome. And as always, bye. Bye.